Hello, I'm Richard Leadbitter. I'm the UK Sales Manager for Install Pro Sound. And here we have a setup just demonstrating the ecoRAIL on the new V600. On the left-hand side, we have a standard Class D amplifier showing the power consumption there, which is more or less running at full power consumption all the time. And then over here, we have a V600 power consumption. And what you can see is if we turn up the power, actually we can go quite loud. And we're still only drawing 17 watts, so it's running an ecoRAIL. If we go a little louder, the power consumption jumps up, and then when we turn back down, it drops back down again. So you can run background levels of audio or music playback and only use a fraction of the energy that you would typically draw.